There we go.
Go lightly.
How the fuck does this thing keep turning off?
Got another one, Chris?
No, I don't think so.
Fuck, grenade.
You're dead.
I got my shoulder.
I don't know if I made it out of that. No, I would say no. I would say no. If I killed him, I'd go, all right, that works. 54.
Red light. Yep. Thank you.
We won't. No, I will hide behind you. Oh, hey, there you go. Your red light is still on in your vest.
I have you guys as low, be careful.
Okay.
Can you take a knee? Can you take a knee? Or can you move? A lot of reach. Yeah. Hey, guy, do you just want to get out of there?
Yeah, I'm moving.
I'm not gonna call it, I hit it in the shoulder. I got him.
What?
I got him. Another one.
Come on, guys, got this. I'm gonna watch this. Stairwell right down. That's where I stopped.
Let's all hand it a hit.
Yes.
Can I call it?
We got no trade, dude.
Yeah, we traded. Good shit.
Enemy dead just around the corner, so you guys know.
And just so y'all to know, there's a ref right here with a green light.
Copy that.
The ref is
That man.
Ref is gonna cross. Ref is gonna cross.
That man on your corner. That man.
Okay. Ref is on the ground. On the corner. Nowhere else for him to be.
Yeah, hey.